So, today again we have a speaking session, and in this session, you have to speak upon a topic that would be given to you. And first of all, I should congratulate you for your performance. You are doing well, keep it up. And today I am going you a topic, I am giving you a topic that is very simple and you can talk about it very easily. You know, we live in Bharat. Bharat is a great country. There is no country in this world like our country. Though the people of all the countries say so, but we know, and the other countries of the world also know why our country is a great country. There are so many things in this country, and you should know one thing that this country is well known for its culture, for its traditions, for its festivals. Festivals are also the part of our culture. And you know very well that we celebrate a lot of festivals which are very important for us, for our culture. And these are unique festivals like Diwali, Holi, Makar Sankranti, Raksha Bandhan. A lot of festivals are there that we celebrate. And out of these festivals, Diwali is the greatest festival. As we know that festivals are a great source of our happiness. By celebrating these festivals, we forget our worries. We can recharge ourselves because you know that everyone is in stress. Everyone has some types of worries, problems. Different people have different types of problems. But by celebrating these festivals, though for some time, but it is good that we forget our worries, our problems, and we celebrate all the festivals with our family members with happiness and joy. And this way we recharge us ourselves. So I think you know very well about Diwali, why we celebrate it, when we celebrate it, what do we do to celebrate Diwali. This is the longest festival for 5 days. So please write down your names or leave it aside. I will. Okay, if you like, you can write down your names in the chat box so that your names can be called. And yes, I have got the first name of Sushil. If you don't give your names in the chat box, I will call the names of the students would be expected to speak upon the topic. So first of all, yes, I have got the second name, Nishant. Very good. Yes, come on. So first of all, I'm calling Sushil, and I would like to say that when someone speaks on the topic, that time the remaining students of the batch must listen carefully what is being said so that they can improve their speaking. So yes, first of all, I'm calling Sushil. Yes, Sushil, start your speaking. Come on.
Yes. Hello everyone, and I am the student of the Raman Humanitative classes from Miss Spain and also from B18.
Mm,
And today we have a session of speaking. And sir has given us a topic that is our gate and our favorite festival, whose name is Deepavali.
mm,
As you know that we are Bharatiya and we live in Bharat. And Bharat is known for its culture, dishes, and food, and forts, and many famous places. And according to me, Bharat is the best country in the whole world.
mm,
There are many festivals like Holi, Diwali, Teej, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc. And these festivals are celebrated with happiness and joy.
mm,
Diwali, Diwali is one of them, and it is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya every year.
mm,
This is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram,
mm,
and this festival is celebrated for 5 days.
mm,
First day, first day is celebrated as first day is celebrated as Dhanteras, and on this day people buy many things like utensils, silver, gold, vehicles, garments, etc.
mm,
And second day we celebrate Choti Diwali,
mm,
and the next day of it we celebrate Main Diwali. And on this day, on this day we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh
mm,
are worshipped in the evening. And on this day, special food is made like dal bati, gajar ka halwa, and puri sabji, kheer, etc.
mm,
And next day, we celebrate Govardhan.
mm,
On this day, Anput is made in temples and houses.
mm,
And in temples, Anput is served to all people as prasad.
mm,
And and in the evening we fire fulgedi and murga chap, etc.
mm.
And the last day we celebrate सर इसको क्या बोलते हैं लास्ट डे क्या
भाई दूज इतना जल्दी भूल जाता है क्या?
भाई दूज
हम्म ऐसे
यस
बोलोगे
सर
तो कैसे काम चलेगा?
we celebrate Bhai Dooj. On this day, uh, all sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers, and
भाई दूज के दिन?
uh, No, sir. On this day, all sisters offer sweets to their brothers, and their brothers give them many gifts and also money. So, in this way, this festival is with poem and show. So that's it.
Okay, very good. Shabash. Come on now, Nishant.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Sani. Today's my topic is I am a student of Ramman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is Diwali. We all know that India is the country of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here,
Hmm.
like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc.
Hmm.
But Diwali is the most famous festival.
Hmm.
Diwali is comes in the Diwali comes in the month of November or October every year.
Hmm.
Diwali is the longest festival. It started with Dhanteras.
Starts.
It starts with Dhanteras. Many people buy utensils, copper things, silver and gold
Hmm.
on this day. On the next day, Choti Diwali is celebrated,
Hmm.
and main festival is the main festival, but Diwali is celebrated after Choti Diwali.
Very good.
On Diwali, on Diwali, many people do
Worship, nahi
of
worship.
worship of goddess Lakshmi and god Ganesh,
Hmm.
and many many food is prepared. Delicious food is prepared in each house,
Hmm.
and the next day is celebrated as Govardhan. On this day,
Hmm.
we do worship of
बेटा वर्कशिप नहीं होता है, वर्शिप होता है.
worship of Govardhan ji. It is mostly celebrated in Uttar Pradesh. It is the and the last day is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. On this day, sister Tilak, their brother and
Sisters
brother
apply tilak.
apply tilak to brother, and brother give brother give gifts to his sister.
Hmm.
And this festival is celebrated in this way. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Yes, now Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Yashasvi Sahu. Today my topic is Diwali. As we all know, India is the country of festival because so many festivals are celebrated here.
Hmm.
All the festival has their own values.
अरे भैया, ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स हैव. कब तक करवाऊंगा तुम्हारे को ये चीजें? मैं ठीक थक गया, मैं ठीक करवा करवा के ये चीज तुम लोगों को. कई लोगों को तो बहुत ज्यादा थक गया मैं. ध्यान रखना ही नहीं है, ना सिंगुलर का ना प्लूरल का, कुछ ध्यान नहीं रखना है. टूटा फूटा ही रहेगा जिंदगी भर, ये गारंटी दे रहा हूं मैं. आगे बोलो.
Like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Bhai Dooj, etc. Festivals have festivals have their own respect and value.
हम्म.
Our elders say so many theories about these festivals,
दिस नहीं,
but in
दीज फेस्टिवल्स.
these festivals, but in the simple way, we can say the Indian peoples are so busy
पीपुल्स
and
नहीं, पीपुल. कितनी बार ठीक करवाऊंगा ये तेरे को? मैं हजारों बार कम से कम ये चीजें मैं ठीक करवा रहा हूँ, बार बार रिपीट करवा के. अब ठीक नहीं
people
करवाऊंगा मैं तेरे को. अब तू बोलती रहे जैसे तेरे को बोलना है. कोई फायदा नहीं है
people
तेरे को ठीक करवाने का बेटा. हाँ.
people are so busy, but they are so creative. They search chance for making happiness and fun. So these festivals are the jackpot of happiness. That's why these festivals are celebrated with very happiness.
mm,
Diwali is the most important festival in India. It is the longest festival in a word. I can say it is the biggest jackpot of happiness.
mm,
First of all, I should say how many days and why this festival is celebrated. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram.
mm,
Our elders say on this day, uh, Lord Shri Ram came back to Ayodhya,
mm,
and the Ayodhya's people um, apply, applied diya and cleaned their houses and decorated all Ayodhya
mm,
in the welcome of Lord Ram. This festival is celebrated for 5 days.
mm.
First day we celebrated Dhanteras.
Celebrate.
Celebrate Dhanteras. On this day, our elder bring jhadu, utensils, gold and silver items.
Mm,
Our elders say if we bring something on this day, the
इस क्यों आएगा भाई? Comes.
richness come. The next day is celebrated as Choti Diwali.
Mm,
On on this day, the people fire crackers. The next day is celebrated as Diwali. This is the important day
mm,
of of this festival time period.
mm,
On this day, the people wear new clothes and eat sweets. Special food is made by our grandmother and mother.
mm,
On this day, we worship Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji
mm,
in the at the night,
mm,
and after worship, we fire crackers.
mm,
We all are so happy on this day.
mm,
The next day is celebrated as Govardhan.
mm,
It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Shri Krishna.
mm,
On this day, the temples arrange Ankut.
mm,
It is made by so many vegetables. It is healthy for all.
mm,
The next day is celebrated as Bhai Dooj.
mm.
On this day, the sisters apply tika on
To their brothers.
to their brothers, and their brothers give money and gifts.
Mm,
So this festival is also celebrated with very happiness.
mm,
Like these all things, we celebrated this whole festival with very happiness. Our school give us a our school give us a holiday for 7 days.
mm.
The children like this festival so much. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay, very nice. थोड़े ग्रामेटिकल ध्यान रखो, बहुत गलतियां करते हो आप बोलने में. वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18 and today my topic is Diwali. As you know that India is a country of festival and many festivals are celebrated here like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc. So Diwali is the most important festival of Hindus,
Hmm.
and it is a very big festival, and it is celebrated for 5 days. First day is Dhanteras. On this day, people purchase utensils, gold, silver, and many other things.
Shabash. Hmm.
Second day, and the second day is Choti Diwali,
Hmm.
and after this, the the main festival is Diwali.
Hmm.
On this day, people wear new clothes and 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 make sweets and special food.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत अच्छा वेरी गुड बोलते रहो ऐसे बस ध्यान से
And in the evening, people worship goddess Lakshmi and Ganeshji.
हम्म
It brings happiness and prosperity.
शाबाश हम्म
People fire crackers at
हम्म
the night,
हम्म
and everyone looks very happy on this day.
हम्म
And the fourth day is Govardhan. On this, it is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna,
हम्म
uh, and people prepared annakut. And the fifth day is Bhai Dooj. On this day, sisters apply tika on their brothers, and
to their
brothers
brothers
give,
to their brothers
yes sir, to their brothers, and brothers give give gift to them.
हम्म
So these are the celebrations of Diwali.
हम्म
And this is my favorite festival.
हम्म
Yes sir, that's it.
शाबाश वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया बेटा अब क्या है अब तो हो गया काम सिस्टम बन गया अब तो कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है अब तो यस श्री
Hello everyone, I am Shri and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes.
हम्म
Today's my topic is Diwali.
हम्म
As you all know that India is a great country and it is known for its culture and tradition.
हम्म
And it is a country of festivals. Here many festivals are celebrated like Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Holi, etc.
हम्म
So Diwali is also one of them.
हम्म
Diwali is a great Hindu festival and it is celebrated in the month of October or November.
हम्म
Uh, this is celebrated because on this day, Lord Ram
केम बैक
came back to Ayodhya from Vanvas,
हम्म
and this festival is celebrated for 5 days.
हम्म
First day, Dhanteras is celebrated. On this day, people buy new utensils, gold and silver.
हम्म
People thought that if they buy new things on this day, the happiness will come to their home.
हम्म
And the next day, Choti Diwali is celebrated.
हम्म
After it, the main festival Diwali is celebrated.
हम्म
On this day, people wear new clothes and sweets are made at home.
हम्म
In in evening, Lord Ganeshji and Lakshmiji are worshipped.
हम्म
And at night, people fire crackers.
हम्म
But but some people fire too much crackers, which may be a cause of pollution. So
हम्म
we should try. So we should try to not fire too much crackers on this day.
हम्म
And after it, Govardhan Puja is celebrated.
हम्म
On this day, in at at temples and in homes, Ankut is made.
हम्म
And at last, Bhai Dooj is celebrated.
हम्म
On Bhai Dooj, On Bhai Dooj, sister offers food to their brothers, and brothers give them gifts and money.
Hmm.
So, like this, Diwali is celebrated with a great happiness.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Shabash. Now, Geeta.
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Hello, everyone. My name is Geeta. Today, my topic is Diwali.
Hmm.
Diwali is the biggest festival in India.
Hmm.
Diwali is the festival of lights.
Hmm.
We get long holidays on this festival.
Shabash. Hmm.
We decorate our house.
Hmm.
We worship Lakshmi and Ganesh.
शाबाश शाबाश वेरी गुड. धीरे धीरे बोलते जाओ, ऐसे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस जो भी याद आता जाए बोलते जाओ. हाँ.
Children burn firecrackers.
Hmm.
On this day, we eat sweets.
Hmm.
This festival is
Celebrated
celebrated on 5 and 4 days,
4-5 days.
4 5 days.
आराम से घबराओ मत. हो जाएगा सब ठीक. होता है, सबके साथ होता है ऐसा. हाँ,
It
बताओ.
is a most famous festival in India.
हम्म. अलग अलग दिनों के बारे में बताओ. धनतेरस को क्या होता है, बड़ी दिवाली को क्या होता है. आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत.
First day we celebrate Dhanteras.
हाँ, आराम से. शाबाश.
On, on this day we purchase
हम्म.
the things of gold and silver.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. हाँ, बोलते
And
जाओ.
second day we celebrate Diwali.
हाँ.
On this day, uh,
क्या करते हैं इस दिन.
बोल दिए सर वो
कोई बात नहीं,
worship
दोबारा दोबारा
God
बोल दे.
and
दोबारा
Lakshmi.
दोबारा बोल दो, दो चार
We
सेंटेंस.
worship
हाँ.
we worship Lakshmi and Ganesh ji.
हम्म. हम्म.
And then
हम्म.
we eat sweets
हम्म.
with their families,
आवर फैमिलीज.
with our families.
हम्म.
Third day celebrate Gordhan.
हम्म. हम्म. क्या करते हैं इस दिन.
Fo-
अन्नकूट बनता है ना.
पता नहीं सर,
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, फोन.
बोलने में नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ.
And 5 day we celebrate Bhai Dooj.
हम्म.
On this day, sisters feed sweets their brothers,
हम्म.
and brothers gives gifts and money
हम्म.
for their sisters.
हम्म.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ मत. सबके साथ ऐसे ही होता है शुरू शुरू में. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा बोला है. कोई चिंता मत करो. यस, नाउ रौनक.
Hello everyone. Today's my topic. Hello everyone. My name is Ronik. I study in Ramban Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is Diwali. Um, as you know that Diwali is very big festival in India. India is the country of festival. First of all, Dhanteras. Uh, all people go to market and purchase gold, chandi, and copper. Second, Choti Diwali and main festival Diwali. Diwali is called the festival of lights lights and is celebrated by lighting lamps and burning firecrackers. It is a festival which celebrated the victory's return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya after saving his wife Sita uh, from the demon king Ravan. And on Diwali night, people gather to light days, perform Lakshmi Puja and exchange gift. Diwali is also a time of families and friends to comes together and celebrate. It is a time to forgive and forget and to start fresh. That is uh, that is very happiness happiness day. And third, Bhai Dooj. It is sister applied tika to brother and brother gift to sister. Diwali is very nice. Uh, and Diwali is important in India. That is
बेटा लैंग्वेज तो तेरी नहीं है, ये तो बोला है ना तूने। 10% तेरी लैंग्वेज है, बाकी लैंग्वेज तो तेरी नहीं है बेटा। या तो तेरे को याद है या कुछ और है, लैंग्वेज तेरी नहीं है बेटा। जो मैं चाहता हूँ ना लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए खुद की, वो नहीं है बेटा तेरी। यस कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from HB18. Today's my topic is Diwali. As we know that Diwali, India has many festivals, and Diwali is one of them. Diwali is very popular festival and famous festival. All people celebrate it. It is the biggest festival in India. It is celebrated happily. All people wear new clothes. All people decorate our home by lights.
आवर क्यों देर आएगा?
Their lights. We eat sweets that day. Sometimes our family comes our home. We make fun with them. We worship God that day, like Ganesh ji, Lakshmi ji, etc. That day we fire crackers.
शाबाश, बोलते जाओ, ऐसे अपने थॉट्स आने चाहिए 100%।
Sometimes almost people go their villages and they go to visit. Our mother make food with our mother and grandmother make food, special food. We eat it. Yes, sir. That's it.
ओके, लैंग्वेज चाहिए बिल्कुल अपनी खुद की, बुकिश लैंग्वेज नहीं चाहिए। मेरे को पता चल जाता है आपकी लैंग्वेज है तो पता चल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं है पता नहीं चलेगा। बुकिश लैंग्वेज है, कुछ याद किया हुआ है, वो बोल रहे हैं, पता चल जाता है, बिल्कुल पता चल जाता है, 101% पता चल जाता है। Yes. Anyone else? The names are over that are in the chat box. If there is anyone, Sanju, come.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sanju. Today, my topic is Diwali.
Hmm.
There are many festivals celebrated in India,
Hmm.
but Diwali is the most popular and biggest festival in India
Hmm. शाबाश आराम से बोलो घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी हाँ
because this festival celebrated
इज सेलिब्रेटेड
is
ध्यान से
is celebrated memory of
इन द मेमोरी
Lord Ram
इन द मेमोरी
in the memory of Lord Ram.
हाँ
Festival of Diwali is celebrated for 5 days.
शाबाश धीरे धीरे बोलो आराम से तसल्ली से एक एक चीज का ध्यान रख के हाँ
First day,
हम्म
Dhanteras is celebrated.
हम्म
This day, all people purchase things of gold, silver,
हम्म
etc.
शाबाश आराम से बोलो तसल्ली से सेंटेंस को जोड़ जोड़ के शब्दों को उनको आराम से बोलो
Second day, Choti Diwali is celebrated.
हम्म
This day, all people make many sweets
हम्म
and the shops, houses are decorated in this day,
ऑन दिस डे
on this day. Third day, Badi Diwali is celebrated. Children, firecrackers, and goddess Lakshmi, Lord Ganesh
शाबाश
are worshipped
वेरी
in this
गुड
day.
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया आराम से तसल्ली से बोलो धीरे 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 कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो मेरे को कहीं बोलना ही नहीं पड़ रहा बीच में हाँ
Fourth day,
हम्म
Govardhan is worshipped.
हम्म
And fifth day, Bhai Dooj is celebrated.
वेरी गुड
In this day, all sister offer food
हम्म
his brothers
टू देयर ब्रदर्स
to their brothers, and all brothers give gifts our sisters
टू देयर सिस्टर्स
to their sisters. Diwali festival of lights.
दिवाली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ
Diwali is festival of
सब आ
lights.
जाएगा धीरे धीरे सब बेटा शुरू शुरू में सबके साथ होता है घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी हाँ
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड बस घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी बस ये क्या हुआ हाँ लक्ष्मी
Yes, sir.
हम्म
Today topic is Diwali.
आराम से बोलना बिल्कुल मत घबराना भी संजू ने जैसे बोला तसल्ली से बिल्कुल हाँ ध्यान करते जाओ बोलते जाओ ध्यान करते जाओ धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोलते जाओ हाँ
India is a country of festival,
हम्म
but Diwali is is the most important festival of India.
हम्म
It is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya.
शाबाश सोचते जाओ बोलते जाओ सोचते जाओ थॉट लाते जाओ माइंड में बोलते जाओ फोकस करो बस
Before festival, before the festival, cleaned house and shop.
आराम से बोलो हाउसेज एंड शॉप्स आर क्लीन्ड बिफोर फेस्टिवल घबराओ मत समझो जरा किस क्या चीज बोल रहे हो एक्टिव है पैसिव है आराम से बोलो, मैंने कहा ना तसल्ली से बोलो, ऐसे नहीं टूटा फूटा कुछ भी बोल दिया। हाउसेज एंड शॉप्स आर क्लीन्ड बिफोर दिवाली, या बिफोर दिवाली हाउसेज एंड शॉप्स आर क्लीन्ड। आराम से
This
बोलो
is
तसल्ली से।
the
हाँ।
biggest festival.
हम्म।
Dhanteras is celebrated first day
शाबाश, ऐसे तसल्ली से बोलो, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ। हाँ।
and second day is celebrated Choti Diwali
हम्म।
and main festival is celebrated third day.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, घबरा मत। घबराएगी तो नहीं कर पाएगी, आराम से बोल, डरना क्या है। हाँ।
And fourth day is celebrated Govardhan Puja
हम्म। हम्म।
and last day is celebrated Bhai Dooj.
हम्म।
Diwali special food is prepared.
एक मिनट आराम से बोल, सोच पहले सेंटेंस क्या है, एक्टिव है पैसिव है क्या है, तसल्ली से। स्पेशल फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड ऑन दिवाली। समझ गई, आराम से बोल, तसल्ली से बना उसको, सेंटेंस को, टुकड़ों को देख, क्या है, किसको लूं, क्या करूं, थोड़ा दिमाग चला अभी, फिर अपना आप सिस्टम बन जाएगा। हाँ।
House and shop is
देखो,
decorated.
हाउसेज एंड शॉप्स आर डेकोरेटेड, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बस चीजों के ऊपर, इधर उधर कहीं ध्यान मत लगाओ, बस अपनी चीजों पे ध्यान लगाओ। हाँ।
Fried are crackers.
फिर वही बात, क्रैकर्स आर फायर्ड, ऐसी वॉइस बन रहा है ना बेटा, ऐसे थोड़ी बनेगा, आराम से तसल्ली से।
Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji are worshipped
शाबाश, ऐसे ध्यान दो चीजों पे। हाँ।
in the evening.
हम्म।
Yes, sir.
ओके, घबराया मत कर, घबराओगे तो कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी होती है, कोशिश करो बस, और जो अब तुमने सीखा है उसको यूज करो। सोचो सेंटेंस कैसा बन रहा है, एक्टिव है पैसिव है, टेंस कौन सा है, बी टाइप वर्ब है, सोचो, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, शुरुआत हमेशा कठिन होता है, ध्यान रखना, इसको अगर क्रॉस कर लिया तो खत्म है प्रॉब्लम, ये करना ही पड़ेगा, ये आएगा पेशेंस के साथ, ध्यान के साथ, धीरे, तसल्ली से, फोकस करो, घबराओ मत, तब आएगा, बात ये है। फिर भी बहुत अच्छा किया, वेरी गुड। यस युवराज।
Yes, sir. My name is Yuvraj Ghuta. Today my topic is Diwali.
हम्म।
Many festivals are celebrated
फेस्टिवल्स
in
पूरे
India.
बोल का ध्यान रख।
Festivals are celebrated in India.
हाँ, जितना ध्यान
Uh,
रखोगे उतना सही आएगा, आप आगे के लिए ठीक रहेगा। हाँ।
Diwali is a very important festival.
हम्म।
Uh, it, 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 it it is a festival of lights.
हम्म।
Uh, mm, this day Shri Ramchandra returned by Ayodhya
तू अयोध्या।
to Ayodhya
हम्म।
after killing Ravan.
शाबाश, अपने थॉट्स बोलना बिल्कुल, टोटल। हाँ, अंग्रेजी सीखनी है तो।
So
हाँ।
we celebrated it.
सेलिब्रेटेड क्यों, सेलिब्रेट।
So we celebrate it. Uh, on this day, people clean and wash wash their house and shop.
हॉप्स हाउसेज एंड शॉप, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखा कर थोड़ा सा।
House,
बोल बोल,
houses
घबराए मत,
and
तसल्ली से
shop.
बोल बिल्कुल। हाँ, सोच सोच के बोलता रहे बस। स्पीड अपने
Uh,
आप आ जाएगी, अभी स्पीड नहीं चाहिए अपने को, अभी बोल
they
बस।
decorate them.
हाँ।
They decorate them.
हम्म।
Mm. Uh, this day, people purchase sweets, toys, papers, and many other things.
हम्म।
Mm, और और वो फर्स्ट डे सेलिब्रेटेड इन धनतेरस.
ध्यान से बोल, ग्रामर को सही यूज करके सेंटेंस को सही बना। फर्स्ट डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज धनतेरस। तसल्ली से बोल, टूटा फूटा नहीं। कोशिश
हाँ सर,
आज करेगा तो
फर्स्ट डे इज
सीखेगा।
सेलिब्रेटेड इन धनतेरस.
इन नहीं, एज।
ऑन दिस डे बी परचेज गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर.
हाँ, ऐसे बोल तसल्ली से, धीरे धीरे।
सेकेंड डे इज छोटी दिवाली. थर्ड सर, बस दैट्स इट.
क्या यार, गजब कर दिया यार। ये पता है किस चीज का नतीजा है?
सर वो बोलने में नहीं आ
मैं
रहा.
बताऊं ना, रिजल्ट ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? इरेगुलरिटी, आए दिन छुट्टियां, ये है प्रॉब्लम। दिमाग से कमजोर नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम ये है असली। सेल्फ वर्क चेक नहीं होता है। ये जो बोल रहे हैं ना, ये इतना सेल्फ वर्क चेक करवा करवा के रोजाना आते हैं क्लासेस के अंदर, ये रिजल्ट है जो ये बोल रहे हैं। तुम्हारे साथ के ही हैं सारे के सारे। तुम्हारी कहीं भी ना तो काम चेक करवाते हो, ना रेगुलर आते हो, उसका रिजल्ट है, ये देख ले तू। बिना प्रैक्टिस के कुछ नहीं होगा बेटा। लास्ट में बोला है सबसे तूने, और सब नए हैं तेरे साथ के ही हैं। संजू को देख ले, रौनक को देख ले। रौनक ने तो खैर अपना पता नहीं कहाँ से बोला है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। इसको देख ले, निशांत को, तेरे साथ का, ये भी 11th में आया है। इसको देख ले, वैष्णवी को देख ले, और लक्ष्मी को देख ले, हैं। और कौन है नया, देख ले, नए सब तेरे साथ के ही हैं। चलो बाकी तो पुराने हैं। गीता को देख ले, बोल के गई है भी। क्यों? रेगुलर है, काम चेक करवाते हैं, काम करते हैं। उसके बिना नहीं आएगी, कभी भी नहीं आएगी बेटा। समझ ले इस बात को, वास्तविकता को समझ ले बेटा। बात ये है। चलो ठीक है, ओके। वंस अगेन आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू on your great success. I think you have fulfilled your dream. We will talk about it in next class. So get ready for that. And you have been recorded. You can see it, watch it, listen it on YouTube after getting the link of this recording. So very good. Thank you very much. Keep it up. Shabash.